So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm excited to share my new website clone, which is AdilQuadri. So you can see here my website. This is my navbar. This is main page. This clone includes a clean homepage layout, product sections, navigation bar, and a modern UI design. Inspired by the real AdilQuadri website, I focused on layout structure, spacing, fonts, and responsiveness also. You can see here, this is another page of website. You can see here I used this flex for this. This is footer. This is second page, and this is last page. So this is my website clone using HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching.